All right, so here we are inside funnel scripts. So you get an awesome behind the scenes look at what is actually inside this awesome tool. So this is your dashboard here where you'll start out. You'll get quick start videos, funnel blueprints, and script blueprints. These are actually really handy. It shows you basically like a doodle and a nice sketch of all the different scripts and how you'll use them with the different funnels that you'll be using. Um, there's a bunch of training that Jim Edwards does on using funnel scripts the best ways, and just like copywriting and marketing in general, and all kinds of really cool stuff. And then there's a bunch of downloadable wizards that you can actually download to your machine and use, including perfect webinar, uh, video sales letter script wizard, survey scripts, star story solution script, etc., etc. Actually, this podcast and Facebook Live wizard's really cool. So if you don't know what you want to talk about on doing a Facebook Live or a podcast or interview or something like that, it's a really good script for that. And then there is just a buttload of scripts that you can use for like every situation. It is crazy. Starts off with all the scripts from Russell Brunson's books, Expert Secrets. So just like everything in there, you get to like get written up real fast and easy, just with a whack of a button, as Jim says. The Epiphany Bridge script is super powerful. Um, the one thing, all of these, I mean, they're extremely powerful scripts, and this tool makes it super easy for you to get them written in like no time and barely any effort. It's so awesome. Then there's all these video scripts. I mean, there's like for like any content, any kind of sales material and copy you need, you can get written inside of funnel scripts. I mean, it really is like having a copywriter for you, just like ready to go. And you don't have to spend all kinds of crazy money on expensive copywriters. And I am a copywriter, and I realize like how expensive our services can be. I mean, they're worth it, but this is just like a magic tool to help you. Email scripts, so for all of your different email sequences and stuff. Headlines and hooks scripts. I mean, this is super important. It's like pretty much the number one thing when it comes to copywriting and stuff. You have to grab people's attention before you can get them to consume any of your content or your sales materials. So you have to have good hooks and headlines, and these make it super easy to get that done. You can get hundreds of headlines written just like in almost in an instant. Sales letter scripts, your one funnel away challenge scripts. The one funnel away challenge is an amazing challenge. I actually just took it last month. I highly recommend it. I'll actually have to put a link in the description for the OFA because it's amazing. It's a 30-day challenge, and you come out the end of it with a profitable sales funnel and all built and ready to go. It's really great. You actually get a bunch of like cool bonus training when you get funnel scripts, including Copywriting Secrets Masterclass. This is super duper valuable. That's Jim Edwards teaching copywriting. Actually, up here with the Inception Secrets is Russell Brunson teaching some copywriting and story selling. Jim does live monthly trainings that you can hop on and ask questions in. And I just want to go over here on the side and kind of show you the ridiculous amount of different scripts that are available to you when you buy this. Let's see. So yeah, advertising scripts, bullet scripts, case studies and testimonial scripts, content creation scripts. There's the .com secret scripts. So like all the scripts that are in that book are there. Email scripts, and then the expert secrets book scripts, OFA challenge scripts, sales copy and video scripts, sales letter scripts, titles, headlines, and subject line scripts. And then if you just like click on one of these, you'll see the insane amount, like, content creation scripts. Let's just click on that. You can see that there's a bunch of scripts under each of these, including an About Me page, which is like one that people tend to have a lot of trouble with, writing a powerful like About Me page. That makes it super easy. Free report script, decision tree script, Seinfeld email ideas scripts, which is so nice because if you're into the like ClickFunnels or Russell Brunson world, you'll know that you're going to want to be like writing daily Seinfeld scripts or emails rather. And it can be really hard to try to come up with ideas on what to write about. And this is like an easy way to get tons of ideas for that. Go into like email scripts here, and you can see all of these awesome scripts here. Actually, show you advertising scripts, bullet scripts, just show you like all the different things that are available. It's so cool. They actually just recently changed the layout a little bit. It looks really cool now, but that's why I'm like not exactly sure where everything is because I'm used to it being a little bit different here. Sales copy. Let's see. I know that they have some really awesome stuff for like e-commerce people. Yep, Amazon and e-com scripts. There's a whole bunch of awesome stuff in here for all you Amazon sellers and e-commerce entrepreneurs. And it just goes on and on. Like any kind of copy you need to sell anything or to like make content for your funnels and everything. I mean, you can find it all here. It's so cool. So I highly, highly recommend getting funnel scripts. It will end up paying for itself for you, probably with the first script you use from it. And everything else from there is just going to be pure profit. Go for it. It's an amazing tool.